Modern AI models possess incredible reasoning capabilities, but they operate entirely in a vacuum. A model is essentially a high-powered calculation engine trapped inside a sealed environment, completely cut off from your enterprise data and everyday software applications. For an AI to function as a useful agent, it needs to interact with your specific world. It must securely read internal databases, execute commands across platforms like Slack, Jira, and GitHub to complete tasks. Currently, connecting a model to just one of those tools is labor-intensive. An engineer must write custom point-to-point integration code to navigate that software's proprietary API and unique authentication methods. Scaling this approach by wiring dozens of AI models directly into hundreds of enterprise tools creates an n-squared dilemma, an immediate explosion of custom connections. Maintaining this tangled web is a brittle engineering nightmare. Deployment stalls out, suffocating teams under endless custom integration code. Achieving true AI autonomy is no longer a problem of making the models themselves smarter. It is a network scaling problem that demands a single, universal communication standard. That standard is the Model Context Protocol, or MCP. Think of it as a universal USB-C port for AI applications, a single hardware logic that allows any device to connect with any other. MCP does not replace the traditional APIs that external software currently relies on. Instead, it acts as a standardized translation layer sitting directly on top of them. To see how this architecture works, we can trace a single command, like asking an AI to find a specific Python bug. The process begins at the very first node, the host. This is the user-facing application, like your coding IDE or a custom chatbot, where you make the initial request. The host passes your request to the second node, the client. The client speaks MCP. It translates your intent into a standardized JSON packet. This standardized packet moves to the third node, the server. Its exclusive function is translation, converting the universal payload into the exact API format required. The command then hits the final node, the tool. It executes and data returns. By forcing all the translation complexity into that isolated server node, the AI model never needs to understand or directly access the underlying architecture of the target system. An MCP server exposes exactly three capabilities to the AI: tools for specific actions, resources, which is readable data, and prompts for standard tasks. This standardized, limited exposure solves a critical vulnerability. Handing a large language model unrestricted, open API access to an entire enterprise network introduces severe cybersecurity risks. MCP builds security through strict user control. Administrators deliberately choose which specific MCP servers are active, setting precise permission boundaries that govern exactly what the AI can see and do. AI integration shifts from a risky, all-or-nothing API handover into a modular, airtight permission system. As developers map out this architecture, MCP is often confused with RAG, or Retrieval Augmented Generation. They handle completely different parts of the process. RAG is a search mechanism used to find specific information within a document store. MCP is the Universal Communication Protocol, used to fetch or act upon that data in the first place. This diagram shows the topology of the ecosystem once MCP is implemented. The chaos of point-to-point connections is replaced by a clean hub-and-spoke model. An engineer building an AI application now only needs to write code for the single MCP standard. Once they do, their application instantly gains access to every database, tool, and software platform that supports the protocol. In the early days of computing, physical networks faced a single barrier. They were isolated environments requiring custom translation until the invention of HTTP provided a shared global standard. MCP provides that exact historical function for the AI era. It is the missing foundational communication layer that makes a unified network possible. By establishing a shared language, MCP allows AI to evolve from isolated reasoning engines into a truly interconnected, ubiquitous web of autonomous agents.